Display size. Nothing Phone 2 is 6.7 inches. OnePlus 12 is 6.82 inches. Display resolution. Nothing Phone 2 is 1080 into 2412 pixels, with 394 ppi density. OnePlus 12 is 1440 into 3168 pixels, with 510 ppi density. Display type. Nothing Phone 2 is LTPO OLED. OnePlus 12 is LTPO AMOLED. Display protector. Nothing Phone 2 is Corning Gorilla Glass. OnePlus 12 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Operating system. Nothing Phone 2 is Android 13, Nothing OS 2.6. OnePlus 12 is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Chipset. Nothing Phone 2 is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. OnePlus 12 is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Processor. Nothing Phone 2 is octa-core processor. OnePlus 12 is octa-core processor. GPU. Nothing Phone 2 is Adreno 730. OnePlus 12 is Adreno 750. RAM. Nothing Phone 2 is 8 GB and 12 GB. OnePlus 12 is 12 GB, 16 GB, and 24 GB. ROM. Nothing Phone 2 is 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. OnePlus 12 is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Nothing Phone 2 is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. OnePlus 12 is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Nothing Phone 2 is 50MP wide, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. OnePlus 12 is 50MP wide, 64MP periscope telephoto, and 48MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Nothing Phone 2 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. OnePlus 12 is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Nothing Phone 2 is 4700 mAh battery, with 45 watt fast charging. OnePlus 12 is 5400 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging. Spec winner.